How to track your orders on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to track your orders on Temu. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Temu application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in by entering your login credentials, that is, your email address and your password. Once signed in, tap on the U option on the bottom center of your screen. You will then see the option for your orders. Tap on that. Now, in order to track your Temu orders, in the interface that you will be led to, if you want to track a specific order, then tap on the self-service to find order option. You will see various ways to track your order now. You can locate your order by entering your phone number and further tapping on Find Order button. You can also enter your email address, your order ID, or your payment information to track your order. Simply tap on the most suitable option for you and give in the required details to track your order further. So, this is how you can track Temu orders for delivery updates. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.